We have been looking at writing equations for parabolas when we're given a vertex and another point on the graph, and we've been using vertex form to do it. I wanted to give you one more example to show that with any vertex and any other point, provided that that point, of course, doesn't have the same input coordinate as the vertex, we can always write an equation. And so I thought I would illustrate that by taking a deck of cards, randomly shuffled, and I'm just going to pick 4 cards out of this deck to represent the coordinates. So I'm going to go ahead and let the vertex be positive 2, comma, positive 9. And I'll let the other point be negative 10, comma, positive 10. And we'll see how this process works. So as we've said in our slides, we are going to start with the coordinates of the vertex, where 2 will replace h and 9 will replace k. And we'll follow this process every time. And now we'll take the other coordinates to represent an x and a y value, and we'll replace those in our equation. So positive 10 replaces y, negative 10 replaces x. Now with the randomness of the cards, we might have really weird numbers, but it works nevertheless. And now we're just going to work through this process to solve for the value of a. So I'm going to work on the inside here. Negative 10 minus 2 is positive 12. Squaring that gives us 144. That's our coefficient for a. And if we subtract 9 from both sides, we are left here. And that ultimately gives us an a value of 1 over 144. Thank goodness I don't have to reduce. And so we can put all this together to write the equation. We now know the value of a, as well as the values of h and k that we found earlier. So here we have the equation of the parabola that passes through the given vertex and the given point that we found.